Hey, it's Sydney and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a video that you guys requested. So if you don't already, make sure to subscribe because there's a new video every Thursday. And today we're talking about what to wear to Thanksgiving. A bunch of you asked me questions about what to wear to Thanksgiving, so I want to show you 4 different outfit ideas that are comfortable but still stylish. Because I don't know about you, but I like to be really comfortable on Thanksgiving because after we eat, we just hang out, watch movies, play games, so I don't want to wear anything too constricting. So for my first look, I want to show you one of my favorites, which is the jumpsuit, because it literally feels like you're wearing pajamas. So this is a silky jumpsuit. I might as well be wearing a silk robe. Seriously, I wish you guys could feel it through the video because it's so soft. I just paired it with some booties. If it's colder where you live, you can always throw on a cardigan. I liked this one because it has a little bit of faux fur, so it dressed it up a bit. Another thing I like about this jumpsuit is it has an elasticized waist. So as I eat and eat and eat, it doesn't matter because it stretches out. For my second look, I'm using another piece that feels like pajamas, which is the silky skirt. So I went with a rust color because I'm obsessed with this color for fall. It just makes me think of a pumpkin spice lattes. I paired it with a flannel button-down shirt. So what I like about this look is it's comfortable but still chic. I did it with a pair of booties. And then after dinner, if you're just hanging out, you can wear the plaid shirt with some leggings and just sleep in it because I actually sleep in this shirt sometimes. My third look is a more casual version if you're going to a friend's Thanksgiving or somewhere with a more laid-back vibe. So coated jeans are my favorite for holiday season because they're a dressed-up version of denim. These coated jeans have so much stretch that you can keep eating and you don't have to worry about it. I thought the wine color was very fall-friendly, so I just paired it with a chunky, cozy turtleneck, and then I matched my jeans to my booties to really lengthen my legs. And you could do this in any different color scheme. For my fourth outfit, I'm incorporating another very comfortable piece, which is the stretchy dress. You see there's a theme here, lots of eating, so clothes that let you eat a lot. So this black dress I actually have worn many times. You've seen it on my YouTube channel before. Here I dressed it up a little bit with a faux fur stole. So I just clipped it with a little brooch to make it more dressy, and then I did some sock booties on bottom. But the styling possibilities are endless with this. If you look at my holiday trend guide last year, you can see more ways to wear a black stretchy dress. So those are just 4 different outfit ideas for Thanksgiving. Jack and I will be in San Diego. It's Jack's first Thanksgiving. What are you thankful for, baby? I'm thankful for you. Since I'll be in San Diego, it's really casual there, so I'm planning on wearing this jumpsuit. Just a little funny, or I don't know, funny, but interesting Thanksgiving tidbit. So I actually don't like turkey, and neither does my mom. So we have this Thanksgiving tradition. Since I'm originally from Miami, we fly in Joe's stone crabs, and we have stone crabs for Thanksgiving. So Jack is gonna be eating his first stone crab this Thanksgiving. Whatever you guys do to celebrate, I hope this video helped you with some outfit ideas. Next week, I'll be back with some more fun Thanksgiving ideas. And make sure to subscribe if you don't already. New videos every Thursday. And for more outfit ideas, check out my blog, sydneystyle.com. I have tons of outfits over there. And also there are daily outfits and more pictures of Jack over on my Instagram. I'm at Sydney Summer. I'll see you guys next week. Bye. Say bye. Say bye. So in today's video, so this is a silky punch suit. What the hell is a punch suit? Go away, motorcycle. No motorcycles in West Hollywood allowed. Okay.